The Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback is one of the most distinctive models ever produced by the German automaker Volkswagen. Introduced during the late 1960s, the Fastback was part of the Volkswagen Type 3 family, which also included the squareback and notchback. Designed to offer more space, comfort, and practicality than the legendary Beetle, the Fastback quickly earned a reputation as a stylish yet functional compact car. At the front, the Fastback maintained Volkswagen's classic simplicity. The design featured round headlights, a clean front fascia, and subtle chrome accents that reflected the design language of European cars in the late 1960s and early 1970s. The body was compact but well-proportioned, giving the car a balanced and refined look that has aged remarkably well. One of the most recognizable features of the Volkswagen Fastback is its sleek, sloping rear roofline. Unlike the rounded silhouette of the Beetle, the Fastback adopted a long, flowing profile that gave the car a more modern and aerodynamic appearance for its era. The rear window stretched smoothly down toward the tail, creating the signature Fastback shape that inspired its name. Under the rear engine lid, the Volkswagen Fastback carried an air-cooled flat-4 engine, a signature characteristic of many classic Volkswagen vehicles. This engine layout provided reliability and mechanical simplicity, two qualities that helped Volkswagen build its global reputation. The engine was positioned in the rear of the car, which allowed the front trunk area to remain available for additional storage space. For a compact car of its time, the Fastback offered impressive practicality. Another notable innovation of the Fastback was its fuel injection system in later models. While many cars of that period still relied on carburetors, some versions of the Fastback used early electronic fuel injection technology. This improved fuel efficiency, smoother performance, and easier cold starts, making the car feel more advanced than many of its competitors. Inside the cabin, the Fastback emphasized comfort and usability. The interior featured a simple dashboard layout, large analog gauges, and durable materials designed to last for many years. The seats were supportive, and the cabin offered decent legroom for both front and rear passengers. Large windows provided excellent visibility, which contributed to a relaxed and confident driving experience. Today, the Volkswagen Fastback remains a beloved classic among collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. Its combination of distinctive design, mechanical simplicity, and historical importance makes it a standout example of Volkswagen's creative engineering during the late 20th century. Restored examples often appear at classic car shows, where they continue to attract attention and admiration from fans of vintage automotive design.